Are you wasting ad budget on display campaigns that don't convert? Learn how to spy on competitors' exact ad performance in under 2 minutes. I'll show you the exact Semrush workflow to uncover competitor display ad data. First, organize your projects, then drill into the competitive analysis. Go to Semrush folders to organize your projects. Then click on the first highlight to select your project. Now, click on the second highlight to open the project settings. Finally, click on the third highlight to access the competitive analysis tools. Next, click on Display Ads to focus on your competitor's display ad performance. Click on the highlight to view the ad data. Click on Add Competitors to enter domains to track. Finally, click on Analyze to generate the report. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.